Hey guys,
Hey.
welcome back to our channel, our channel technically. We just, wanted to wish you a happy new
Happy New
year.
Year.
Yeah, how are they supposed to know who you are when you don't have your camera? I don't know why why you did the peace sign. What do you so it's
Do I ever
like, yeah. Welcome back everybody to another episode of One Plate Gourmet. Today we will be looking at how to make stir fry. It's a nice way to start off this new year. Let's get started, shall we? For today's recipe, we'll be using some soy sauce, some honey, some sesame seeds, some ginger, some parsley, 2 cloves of garlic, cayenne pepper, salt, black pepper, freshly grounded, beef, and broccoli. We're going to start by mincing up our garlic. We're not going to get them too fine, just the right consistency. We don't want them, blown away. Then we're going to add our honey to our nice clear bowl if the honey ever decides to come out. Come on, let's go. Almost there. Then we're going to add in our soy sauce and our just minced garlic, as well as our ginger and our sesame seeds. Then we're going to mix these guys together and set it aside. Next, over medium heat with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, we're going to just heat up and saute our I'm a pirate, and saute our beef chunks. I was gonna say something here, but I can't remember what I was going to say. I guess it's not important. You'll live. Then we're going to season it generously with some nice kosher salt and some freshly grounded black pepper. After which we'll then add in our broccoli heads. If you didn't cut them off the stems, you should probably have done that. It might get a little crowded in the pan, but don't worry, the broccoli will shrink soon enough. There. Once it's shrinked to about this level, now you can proceed to add in our soy sauce mixture, which is the special ingredient for our stir fry. Just give this guys a good mix, and then we can proceed to add in the rest of our ingredients, which is, let me see here, get my notes. What did I say here? Right, the cayenne pepper and the parsley. Very special ingredients, guys. Happy New Year. Well, folks, it's a very short episode, but it's stir fry, so I try to make it simple for those of you doing something this new year. Plate your dish. Eat it. Happy New Year. Oh, yeah, the dish is named after... Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see the trailer for this episode, click up here. If you want to see more, go ahead and click down there. Happy New Year.
This is my grilled cheese sandwich.
This is my grilled cheese sandwich.
This is my grilled cheese sandwich.